The city of Manila, located in the Philippines, is a vibrant and bustling metropolis offering a rich mix of history, culture, and modernity. As the capital of the Philippines, Manila is important as both a political and economic center. Manila boasts charming landscapes with modern high-rise buildings, historical landmarks, and picturesque coastal areas. From the famous sunset on Manila Bay to the bustling streets of Binondo, the oldest Chinatown in the world, there is something for everyone in this city. Tourism plays an important role in Manila's economy, attracting travelers from all over the world. Visitors can explore historic sites such as Fort Santiago or take a leisurely stroll along Manila's picturesque bayfront. The city also offers many cultural opportunities, including museums showcasing Filipino art and heritage. For those looking for culinary delights, Manila is known for its diversity. From street food vendors offering local delicacies to high-end international restaurants, there is no shortage of options to satisfy your tastes. In conclusion, the city of Manila offers an exciting mix of history, culture, and modernity for travelers seeking an unforgettable experience in one of Asia's most dynamic cities. Whether you are interested in exploring historical sites or culinary adventures, there is something for everyone in Manila.